Hello guys and welcome back. This is another video from Ultimate Unboxing, and today we have again one useful device for extending your internet connection. So let's start unboxing. Okay. So this is the TP-Link Powerline network extender. As you see on the back, it shows how you can extend your internet connection around the house without using cables. You just use your regular home wires. So let's open it up and see. So let's see what's inside the box. Quick installation guide. Quite useful. I hope you can see. And the devices themselves. This is the button you press to pair. This is the other one. You can have a lot of devices at your house in every room. So you just need to pair the first one and pair the rest of them. You have two cables, one for your computer and one for your internet router. And we're gonna test that. So let's test how we put them to work. We have the adapter and we have the cable. You open up the cable and you connect it to the back of your router. And let's plug it in to the mains. There you have it. And then you connect your wire under it. And you power it on. You see it's flashing and it's waiting for the other device to pair. Let's go to the other device now. So you have connected the second device. You plug that wire to your computer. So let me do that. So the wire is on the computer and we're waiting for the signal. So let's power it on. And see if we have internet. And it looks like we have internet connection, wired internet connection. So the three lights are on. So let's test the connection. We are connected to the wired connection, and let's make a speed test and check what's the speed from our router to the computer. There you have it, 58 megabps. This is the speed we have at home. And almost 70 megabps upload. So the device works very well. Imagine you want to connect your Skybox, or you want to, you see it goes up to 60. If you want to have advanced settings to the device, you can download TP-Link for your Mac or your Windows device, and you can configure your devices, encrypt them, and you can see the speed of the devices as they run. So it's a very useful tool. You can download that from the tplink.com/support and find your device, and then you can download the software utility and configure. So thank you for watching. This is the TP-Link extended internet for every room. That's an amazing product, and thank you very much for watching. You can click on the description to get this device today, and have a great day. Bye for now.